Ladies and gentlemen, friends, learners, and everyone who wants to speak English fluently, I am here today to talk to you about something simple, powerful, and life changing: your daily routine. More specifically, how to build a daily routine that will help you learn English, practice English, and finally, speak English with confidence. Many people believe that learning English is hard. They think they need to spend a lot of money, go to expensive coaching centers, or move to another country to speak English well. But let me tell you a secret today. The real key to learning English is not in big actions. The real key is in your daily routine. Yes, just small habits you repeat every day can change your English forever. And not only your English, your confidence, your communication, and your future. Let me ask you, what is your daily routine today? Do you wake up, scroll your phone, eat breakfast, go to school, college, or work, come home, watch a movie, eat, and sleep? If yes, then you already have a routine. But is that routine helping you learn English? Probably not. So today, we will not add big or difficult tasks to your life. Instead, we will add small English habits into your existing routine, step by step, bit by bit. Now imagine you wake up in the morning, and the first thing you say is in English. You tell yourself, "Good morning, I'm ready for a beautiful day." You brush your teeth and say, "I'm brushing my teeth." You eat your breakfast and say, "I'm eating rice and eggs." These are simple sentences, but if you say them every day, they become part of your English mind. You're not just speaking English. You don't need to speak perfect grammar. You don't need to use difficult words. Just start simple. Use the words you already know. Um, when you get ready for school or work, describe what you're doing in English. Say, "I'm wearing my blue shirt today." When you leave home, say, "I'm going out now." If you do this every day, these small actions become your daily English practice. Now, let's talk about listening. Listening is one of the best ways to improve your English, and the best part is you don't need to sit in one place and listen. You can listen while you walk, while you cook, or even while you clean your room. Every day, you can listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, songs, or English news. Start with short ones, 5 to 10 minutes. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. In the beginning, you may not understand everything. That's okay. Listen again. Focus on the words you do understand. Slowly, you'll understand more. Don't stop. Don't wait to be perfect. English learning is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Next, reading. Reading is a powerful habit, but I'm not asking you to read long novels or newspapers. Start small. Read 5 lines a day. Yes, just 5 lines. Read a simple English story or a short blog or even your phone's settings in English. Read the text messages from your favorite app in English. The goal is not to read a lot. The goal is to read every day. What happens when you read daily? You learn new words. You see correct grammar. You see how native speakers write and express their thoughts. And when you read, read aloud. Speak the words. This way you practice reading, speaking, and pronunciation, all at the same time. Let's talk about writing. Most people avoid writing in English. They say, "I'm not good at writing," but that's like saying, "I can't drive" before even sitting in a car. You don't have to write long essays. Start with one sentence. Every morning or night, write one sentence in English about your day. For example, "Today I went to the market and bought bananas." That's it. One sentence a day. After a week, try 2 sentences. After a month, write 5. Keep a small diary just for English. Make it your English friend. It doesn't need to be perfect. No one will judge you. It's just for you. And when you write daily, your grammar improves, your vocabulary improves, your confidence grows. Now comes the most important part: speaking. I know many learners are scared to speak. They say, "What if I make a mistake?" Let me tell you something very important. Every English speaker has made mistakes, every single one. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. So speak English every day. If you have no one to talk to, speak to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in front of a mirror, ask questions, and answer them. What is your name? My name is Rena. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. Speak loudly and clearly. Your tongue needs to practice moving in English. English sounds different from your native language, so your mouth needs exercise. If you have friends who also want to learn, make a small group. Talk for 5 minutes every day in English. Choose a topic. Let's talk about food today. Or let's talk about our favorite movie. Don't worry about grammar, just talk. Laugh, make mistakes, learn together. One very good idea is to make an English corner at home. Put English books there, write down new words, write one quote every day. Make it your English space. When you sit there, your brain knows now it's English time. Just like when you go to the gym, your body knows it's time to exercise. Your English corner is a gym for your brain. Another very powerful habit is using technology. Today, everyone has a phone. Use it to learn. Set your phone language to English. Use voice typing in English. Use English apps. Follow English pages on Instagram or Facebook. Watch English reels or short videos, 1 minute here, 2 minutes there. And suddenly you're learning while enjoying. And don't forget music. Music is magic. Choose simple English songs. Listen, repeat, and sing along. Music helps you remember words, learn pronunciation, and feel the rhythm of English. Every time you sing an English song, your brain smiles. Learning becomes fun. Now let's talk about time. Many people say, I don't have time to learn English. But let's be honest, we all have 24 hours in a day. It's not about time, it's about priority. If English is important to you, you will find time. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day is enough. You don't need 3 hours, but you need daily effort. Imagine this. If you practice English just 30 minutes a day, every day, for 1 year, that's over 180 hours of English. That's powerful. That's life-changing. Small steps every day lead to big success. And please remember, learning English is not only about speaking. It's about expressing your thoughts, understanding others, and connecting with the world. When you know English, you can learn anything: science, business, technology. English opens doors. It connects people across countries, religions, and cultures. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't worry if someone speaks faster or better. Everyone's journey is different. The only person you should compare with is yourself from yesterday. Are you better today? Are you learning one new word? Are you speaking one more sentence? That's success. Make English your friend. Talk to it. Laugh with it. Make mistakes with it. Play with it. The more you enjoy the process, the faster you learn. And whenever you feel tired, remember why you started. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to teach others. Whatever your dream is, English can help you get there. And one final piece of advice: stay patient. Learning a language takes time. Babies take years to speak. So be kind to yourself. Be proud of every little progress. Today, 1 sentence. Tomorrow, 1 paragraph. One day, you'll surprise yourself. So, my dear learners, build your daily routine. Include English in your morning, your afternoon, and your night. Make it a part of your life, not something separate, but something natural. Wake up and speak 1 sentence. Listen to a podcast on your way to school. Read a short article before lunch. Write 1 line before bed. Talk to yourself in English. Watch an English video. Learn 1 new word and smile, because every small habit is building your big success. English is not a mountain. It's a road. Walk it daily and you will reach the top. Keep walking, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, your routine is your power. Use it well. Thank you, and I wish you a beautiful English learning journey. 1 day, 1 habit, 1 word at a time.